15 to 20 years I've been suffering with back pain. It impacted it in every way. When it got worse, I couldn't do laundry, do the dishes, load the dishwasher, cook without help. Everything I had to have help. Could not garden, could not go out on the boat anymore. It just really limited the quality of life. We had tried everything, Intercept, several ablations, injections, physical therapy, you name it, and finally got referred here to Dr. Chu. So that's how we connected. This was my last chance to get some relief with the ReActiv8 implant, and I was willing and ready to do it. The recovery was fine. I had no problem with post-op. Pain relief didn't come till about 12 weeks later, and which Dr. Chu said was I was an early responder to the treatment. Pain level went from 7-8 down to about a 3, and I was able to start doing things again. And the recovery was easy. Once the staples came out and went back to normal, just had to go easy for 8 to 12 weeks, no twisting, lifting, bending, and my husband helped me with all of that. And it's been great. It was an easy procedure and easy to recover from. Get a consult and have it done, because it has totally improved my life. My pain level runs about a 2 to 3, and I'm just 6 months in, so I have another 6 months to get to that 100% mark with no pain. And the reps have been great with adjusting the implant strength. All I can say is go for it. It's worth it.